The Realm series was built for the family. It's a multifunctional platform, great for sunning yourselves, going to restaurants, entertaining family members. The Realm series boats was developed for the family. What clients were asking us for was a capable offshore machine with Boston whaler quality. However, they wanted less fishing features, so we listened to them. We have a very versatile helm deck area. As you move forward, there are ample areas for sunbathing, nice tables for dining, and quite frankly, it really covers a spectrum of things you can do with your family on the water. The Realm series of boats now incorporates not only the V12 Mercury power, we also have the V10 Mercury power and the V8 Mercury power. All of this is integrated through a Simrad system where you're able to use the graphical user interface to control the entire boat. This is complemented by a very nice cabin, including a private porcelain head area. And of course, as we move forward, ample storage for those things that we need when we're out on the water, like our life preservers and other gear that we go boating with. If you like a boat to go out and entertain, go to the sandbar, go out restaurants and so forth, and wet a line occasionally, the Realm series of boats is the boat for you.